alphabets. Okay friends, if you did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to Sowmi's channel and press the bell button so you can receive all my updated videos regularly. Come on, let us go into the video. Now we are going to see how to write and pronounce swar. Swar means vowels. A, I, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha. This is A. Let us write A. This is A. A. This is A. I. This is I. E. This is E. U. This is U. U. This is U. Ru. This is Ru. E. This is E. I. This is I. O. This is O. Au. This is Au. This is Aha. This is Aha. Hope you friends you all understood this word in Hindi alphabets. Let us see the Vyanjan in the upcoming videos. Okay friends, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye friends. Thank you.